Okay, YouTube, got a demonstration here of what I've done with this here Harbor Freight lawnmower jack. Got it initially so I can do lawnmower, and also thought what a great idea to have for a hydraulic work table. So what I did here, so I got this, I'll take these off, flip them over, and let's see, where do I put it? I think I put it here to this outer one here. Flip those over. Put this into the first notch here. Then I have this piece of steel here that I've got cut. I take this here, put it up on top. Okay, that's not it's not where I had those locked in before. I've only had this on here one time and taken it off. Had to lift a lawnmower recently, so I took it off, and now I'm putting it back on. This is a pretty handy little thing I did here with this. So I put this back on here like this. It catches under here with this lip that's here. And I've got these carriage bolts that I can drop down in here. I had some different bolts that weren't quite as long, so I've changed to this carriage bolt. Made a couple revisions to this. So yeah. Keep it from flipping over. Let me put this on here like this. Keep in mind, I keep this thing in table version most of the time. I do more work here in my garage than I do working on lawnmowers. This bolt goes right down through the holes that are in that part to run the lawnmower up on and hold the wheels. So secure it on here pretty nice. I'm getting ready to work on a jet ski engine, and I'm going to want to have it up here to working height. Look at that, I got that on there. Lowered this thing right down. I had to put a couple holes here so when it goes down that it clears those brackets there. Let's see, this thing sits right down nice. Right down to the floor like it should. You can put things up on it. Very easy to lift this to whatever height you need it. If you want to sit on a stool, works perfect for that. If you want to have it at the full height, it's got these nice little handy clips down here at the bottom that you lock it into, so it can only go down to the lock position. Pretty much, it's a pretty good little table that you can move around. Pretty sturdy. It's not going to fall off of here. It's bolted on. So yeah, works good for welding on. It's all steel and stuff like that. So yeah, Harbor Freight likes to see what you can do with their products. Do a whole lot of things with their products. Let's see. Yeah, there's where you can see the pins in it right there into the gray frame to keep that thing there. Bolt goes down through. Got these little latches here on here that are very easy to flip up when you want to drop it down, and when you want to put the safety on, lock that right in there. Sorry about your ears if you had earbuds in. The only thing I don't like about it is this little bar to move it with. It's quite flimsy. I'm probably going to reinforce that, weld a gusset right here on the front of it, hold it in place, make it a lot better. So, hey, might give you an idea of how to make a hydraulic table. I've been looking at some air pneumatic. Guess that's redundant. Either way, tables, they can be quite expensive. Went with this lower version, so works pretty good. Thanks.